Hi, and thanks for taking this class for me, it's most appreciated. Today the students will be tasked with the building of a chair using cardboard. There will be 4 groups of 6 working on the task, with plenty of discussion about how to best use the cardboard due to its properties. There will be a template to follow, materials provided, tools provided, and appropriate working space. The students will be aiming to meet the outcomes of M4.1 and M4.2 in materials, and observation and interaction by you will ascertain their proficiency. You'll need sharp blades and a quick demo of how to cut safely. Plenty of cardboard, cutting mats, and this printed template. Begin the class by posing the question, how could a cardboard chair be made to support a human? Discuss briefly the challenge and ask students to break into groups and experiment with how to use cardboard. Expect to see students bending, ripping, and cutting cardboard with varying degrees of success. This is important as students are discovering the properties of cardboard and fine-tuning how the material may be best employed. When a suitable amount of thought has gone into their experiments, hand out the template and show this picture of the chair. Get them to make one as best they can. While they are working on the design, ask random students, how does the cardboard lend strength to the design? Or, in what way is the cardboard weak? These questions can guide the students as they consider the properties of the material and what methods of manufacture produce strong results. To complete the lesson, ask a volunteer from each group to share what they've learned about cardboard and how they used it to design and make a chair.